Good morning, all of you. So today we will be starting with our illustration number 30. Okay, and illustration, those who have not at all understood that before that this 28, 29, 27 illustration, you are not able to understand. So you please concentrate now onwards now in this illustration. So I think your concept will be clear. So if you are not understanding that 27, 28, 29 illustration, so don't be tensed that I am not understanding all these things. But it will take time. This probability chapter, it will take time to understand this. You will slowly understand all the concept. But if you are listening all the illustrations carefully, then your concept will be clear. Because in all the illustrations, I am basic things I am explaining again and again. Okay. So let's start with our illustration number 30. So all of you look into your textbook, read the question carefully. Probability chapter. Question is important question. If without understanding the question, you are not able to solve the sum. Okay. So probability में question अच्छे से समझ लो आप लोग. So the question is, medicine is tested on a group of rabbits and mice to know its effect. It was observed that 7 rabbits show the effect of medicine in a group of 10 rabbits who were given the medicine. Right. Out of 10 rabbits, 7 rabbits shows the effect of medicine. Okay. And 5 mice show the effect of medicine in a group of 7 mice. So how many rabbits are there? 10. Total 10. And how many mice are there? Total 7. And out of this 10 rabbits, 7 shows the effect of medicine and 3 does not show the effect of medicine. And out of mice, total 7 mice are there. 5 mice shows the effect of medicine and 2 does not shows the effect of medicine. Right? Now one animal is selected at random from each group. One is to be selected from each group. From rabbit and mice, one is to be selected. And under the condition, first one, both the selected animals shows the effect of medicine. Right? Each group, one you have to select and that should be affected by the medicine. And the second condition, one of the two selected animals shows the effect of the medicine and the other animal does not show the effect of medicine. Means one from each group we are selecting. In first condition, both should show the effect of medicine. And in the second condition, one should show the effect of medicine and other should not show the effect of medicine. Should not aa gaya hai, that means complementary dash. Okay. Now let's all the details for here so many confusions are there, so they have given them in a table. With this table we have to prepare, like the given information will be shown as follows, like animals affected by medicine and animals not affected by medicine. Okay, so rabbit 10 hai, so 7 affected and 3 not affected, total 10. Right. So here we will write total also. Total ka bhi column bana lo. So it will not make you will not be confused. It's not like that के जो बताया वैसे ही करना है. आप लोगों को आपके हिसाब से समझना है और लिखना है. Right. Here total is 10. And here mice, how many mice are there? I think 7 है शायद, है ना? So 7 mice. 5 shows the effect and here 5 plus 2, either 2 ही होगा. Again they have made the mistake. What to do? Now here we will do the corrections. See. All of you do the correction over here. Here total, अगर यहाँ करेक्शन करने जाएंगे तो पूरे सब में करेक्शन हो जाएगा. बेटर यू कैन डू द करेक्शन ओवर हियर. सी यहाँ पर 9 कर देना है आप लोगों को. Here total 9 mice. Okay. So here mice are 9. So the total comes to 19. है ना? इंटरसेक्शन करके देखो. 7 plus 5 12, 3 plus 4 7 and 12 plus 7 is 19. and 10 plus 9 is also 19. Total हो गया ना tally, right? Now what you will be doing? See, these are the informations given, and the condition first is, what is the first condition? That is our event first. Okay, event that a rabbit shows the effect of medicine is A, and event that mice shows the effect of medicine, that is B. Okay, wait. This much you have to do. I am going to rub all these things. Now see. Now event means in this the condition, what was the condition given? That both the selected animals shows the effect of medicine. Means we have to select one from each group. That was the condition. Select one mice from each group. So, the two mice will be totally selected. So, first one is A, event that a rabbit shows the effect of medicine, and event B is event that a mice shows the effect of medicine. Okay. So, event that both the animals shows the effect of medicine. Both आ गया ना, तो intersection. Both means that rabbit and mice, both. And भी हम लोग उसको statement में बना के देखा आप लोग. So both means intersection. Okay. So now what we will be finding? What is the our how you have to solve this? Means A intersection B equal to P of A into P of B. See, here statement is given. The event A and B are independent. Whether the mice shows the effect of medicine is not affected by the effect of is not effect. Whether the mice shows the effect of medicine is not affected by the effect of medicine of rabbit. Hence, P of A intersection B equal to A into B from the total outcome. So let it be. We will be finding that one by one. We will be finding all this thing. Now you have to find P of A. What is P of A? That is event that what was the event? Event that the rabbit shows the effect of medicine. So how many rabbits are there which shows the effect of medicine? 7 थे ना? So our total outcome of that event will be 7. Right? So M will be 7. So P of A, M upon N. That is 7 upon total कितना था 10. So 7 upon 10. Now event B, that mice shows the effect of medicine. So how many mice shows the effect of medicine? 5. Okay, so the total mice are 9. So M upon N is 5 upon 9. So P of B is 5 upon 9. Right? Now, according to our formula, P of A intersection B. What is our A intersection B? P of A into P of B. So because they told us to find the effect that both the selected animal shows the effect of medicine. Both means A intersection B. The formula is P of A into P of B. Law of multiplication we have seen. Okay. So that is 7 by 10 into 5 by 9. That is 7 by 18. So the required probability is 7 by 18. कहाँ law of addition use करना है, कहाँ law of multiplication use करना है, इसमें confusion नहीं होना चाहिए. See, because the law of multiplication, law of addition, everything you have to learn. But in the question, it is not mentioned that it is a law of addition or law of multiplication. Right? और हमको समझना है statement से. जैसे both आ गया तो हम multiply करते हैं, and आता है तो multiply करते हैं, और आता है तो हम plus करते हैं. So that thing you have to remember, that both word is coming or and word is coming. That time we will be using multiplication. In the last 11th standard also I have explained in probability. And or is coming, we will be doing plus. Okay, so remember that thing. Now the second question, what was the second question? The second condition was one of the two animals selected shows the effect of medicine and the other animal does not show the effect of medicine. Is two animals select करने हैं one by one from each group. So one should show the effect of medicine and the other should not show the effect of medicine. So condition can be like, let's see, denotes the event that one animal affected by medicine and the other animal is not affected by medicine. So what we can take, either rabbit, first condition is rabbit is affected by medicine, event A है ना, affected by medicine A था, not affected होगा तो A dash हो जाएगा. Affected ऐसे दोनों animals में लेना, rabbit के लिए A लेना है और mice के लिए B लेना है. If rabbit is affected then A, if rabbit is not affected then A dash. If mice is affected, then B, then not affected, then B dash. Because we have taken affected my rabbit affected by medicine as A. Even A हमने पहले ही consider कर लिया, right? जब not आ जाता है तो वो A dash हो जाता है. Okay. So the condition is rabbit is affected by medicine and mice is not affected by medicine. So A और and आया है तो A intersection B dash, or rabbit is not affected by medicine and mice is affected by medicine. So A dash intersection B. Got it? Understood? समझ में आ रहा है ना? See, I will explain you once again. I told you if rabbit is affected, so what we have taken this as A. ये हमने A लिया था. And mice is not affected. So mice affected था तो उसको B लिया था. If it is not affected, then it is B dash. And this word is there. And means intersection. And this word is there. Or means union. Okay. Then rabbit is not affected by medicine. That is A dash. And है यहाँ पे again. तो U हो sorry intersection हो जाएगा. And mice is affected by medicine. तो B हो जाएगा. देखो A intersection B dash, A dash intersection B, and OR is given, that means U. See the formula, the equation. C when C equal to bracket A intersection B dash union A dash intersection B. Okay. So what you have to do? U means plus and intersection means multiplication. Remember always that thing. Okay. Then since the event A intersection B dash and A dash intersection B are mutually exclusive, so P of C is equal to P of A intersection B dash plus, or tha to plus P of A dash intersection B, right? So what is the formula of A intersection B dash? In the law of multiplication we have seen that P of A intersection B dash, देखो union होता है हमेशा plus का ही, law of addition होता है, intersection होता है हमेशा law of multiplication होता है. Always remember this thing. Okay, this is an hint. So P of A into P of B dash plus A dash intersection B means P of A dash into P of B, where A and B are independent even. Okay, so I think this much is clear for you. Okay, so this much concept should be clear. Intersection, again I am saying intersection means and means intersection, and means intersection, so intersection means multiplication, or means union. Okay, and or का मतलब plus भी है. ये सब आप लोग समझना अच्छे से. और wherever intersection comes, we will be doing law of multiplication. Wherever or union is coming, we are using law of addition. Okay, let me rub this. Now we'll go further. अभी value substitute करने हैं. See, so P of A into P of B dash and P of A dash into P of B. We are having P of A and P of B. Okay, so what is P of A? P of A is 7 by 10, and P of B is 5 by 9. So P of A dash will be 1 minus 7 by 10, and P of B dash will be 1 minus P of B. Right, vice versa है. अगर हमारे पास P of B है, so if P of B is given, then B dash will be 1 minus P of B. Listen carefully. If P of B dash, if P of B is there, then P of B dash is 1 minus P of B. If P of B you have to find and B dash is there, so 1 minus P of B dash. Formula same है. Okay. So A dash का दिया है 1 minus P of A, that is 1 minus 7 by 10, that comes to 3 by 10. P of B dash 1 minus P of B, 1 minus 5 by 9, that is 4 by 9. Okay, so we have to use P of A is 28 7/10 इंटू 4/9 बी डैश ये था. फिर a डैश क्या था 3/10 इंटू b is 5/9, so that comes to 28/90 plus 15/90. So the LCM is denominator is same, so the LCM comes to, so the addition comes to 43/90. So your required probability is 43/90. If it is reducing, you can reduce it and write. If here it is not reducing, so you can keep it as it is. So this is an important question. Illustration number 30. Do it 5 times. This is going to come in the exam. Okay. And I told you I have given the portion also that your syllabus for this now coming exam is chapter 1, 2 and 3 of your first part. Okay. Three chapters easy hai. Right. Now let's see the next illustration. That is illustration number 31. Let's see the question. A company produces a certain type of item in its two different factories A1 and A2 in the proportion 60% and 40% respectively. The proportion of defectives in the production of these factories are 2% and 3% respectively. I repeat, a company produces a certain type of items in its two different factories, that is A1 and A2 in the proportion of 60% and 40%. Okay, two different items are produced in two different factories, that is 60% and 40%, proportion of 60% and 40%. The proportion of defective in the production of these factories is 2%. First factory mein 2% is defective, and in the second factory, that is in A to 3% are defective. One item is randomly selected after mixing the items produced in the two factories. Means all the items whatever is produced in factory 1 and factory 2, we are mixing them all, and we have to select one item from that. Find the probability that the item is defective. तो क्या करना है अपने को, डिफेक्टिव को ही हम लोग निकालेंगे और उसी को ही हम लोग मिक्सअप कर लेंगे. तो व्हाट इज द कंडीशन, फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी दिस आइटम इज डिफेक्टिव. ओके, so what is A1 event that the selected item is produced in factory A1. A event क्या होगा, that the selected item produced in factory A1, and A2 में क्या होगा, या फिर B ले लो, event that the selected item produced in factory A2. A2 A1 को फैक्ट्री A1 ले लिया आइटम्स जो प्रोड्यूस्ड है, और A2 ऐसा भी ले सकते हो या A और B भी ले सकते हो. एंड योर नेक्स्ट इज let D denotes the event that the item selected from the total production is defective. जो क्वेश्चन हमको दिया है वो उसको हमने D कंसीडर कर दिया. Okay, so event that the selected item is defective when it is produced from factory A1 is D upon A1. Under condition है ना, conditional probability D upon A1. P of D upon A1, that is 2 upon 100. That is 1/50. Selected items is produced in factory A2. D upon A2, that is 3 upon 100. So the condition is what they told. Find the probability that this item is defective. Means 2% is defective बोला ना, first factory में 2% is defective, and in the second factory 3% is defective. Okay, so 2 upon 100 and 3 upon 100 था, right? तो percentage हमने निकाला. Then the selected item is produced in factory A1 and it is defective. Means selected item produced in the item produced in A1 and it is defective, or the selected item produced in A2 and it is defective. So A1 intersection D union A2 intersection D. Okay, so first factory 1 में से लिया, that is factory 1 and it is defective, and factory 2 and it is defective. Both conditions, बीच में और है, and आएगा तो intersection, और आएगा तो union. Intersection होगा तो multiplication, union होगा तो plus. Right? Now P of D is P of A intersection D plus P of A1 intersection D plus P of A2 intersection D. So A1 intersection D means what? A1 into D. P of A1 into P of D by A1 plus P of A2 intersection P of D by A2. What was the value of D? C. यहाँ पे D क्या डिनोट करता है? Even that the selected from the production is defective ना? तो D को हमने क्या डिनोट किया है, एक तो D by A1 डिनोट किया है और D by A2 डिनोट किया, दिस इज योर D, राइट। D को हमने दो चीज दिया है, एक तो D डिफेक्टिव है, D मींस डिफेक्टिव आइटम्स, तो व्हाट D के जगह पे हम क्या लेंगे, D by A1, और A2 क्या कंडीशन आएगा तो D by A2, D का वैल्यू है, व्हाट इज D, D is equal to D by A1 equal, and that D is equal to D by A2 also. ओके, डी को हमने ऐसे इवन कंसिडर किया, डी एज अ इवन, दैट इट इज अ सेलेक्टेड आइटम इज अ डिफेक्टिव वन, फैक्ट्री 1 एंड फैक्ट्री 2, फैक्ट्री 1 फैक्ट्री 2 दोनों को हमने डी ही कंसिडर किया। तो 3 by 5 into 1 by 50 plus 2 by 5 into 3 by 100, so that comes to 3 by 250 plus 6 by 500, so that LCM वगैरह सब फाइंड करने के बाद your number will be 3 by 12 by 500, and that will be reduced to 3 by 125. So the required probability is 3 by 125. Okay. Now see the we'll see the next illustration, illustration number 30. Now your next illustration 32. The question is, there are 12 screws in a box of which 4 screws are defective. Total 12. Out of that, 4 are defective and 8 are non-defective. Now, 2 screws are randomly selected one by one without replacement. See here, the important point is one by one without replacement. Now, find the probability that both the screws selected are defective. हमें defective select करना, right? Now, 4 screws are there, that is defective, and the non-defective I told you that is 8. So the total outcome, first what you have to find is the total outcome, that is n. तो n है तो 1 by 1 विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट है, सो फर्स्ट n क्या होगा हमारा 12C1. ओके, तो A denotes the event that the first screw selected is defective, then it will be 4C1. Your M is 4C1. 1 by 1, 2 screws you have to select, that is 1 by 1. So A is the event that first screw selected is defective, that is 4C1. So M is 4. So your P of A is M upon N, that is 4 upon 12. Okay. Now next, second, B. B is the event that now again n, if it's a 1 by 1 without replacement आएगा तो n बार बार फाइंड करना पड़ता है, तो what is n, n also keep on changing. 1 by 1 without replacement means the repeated numbers cannot be, the selected numbers cannot be selected again. 1 सेलेक्ट हो गया ना एक बार, तो 12 में एक सेलेक्ट कर लिया हमने, सब एक स्क्रू सेलेक्ट हो गया है, तो n में से भी कम हो जाएगा, वो m में से भी कम हो जाएगा, राइट. तो 12 था तो अभी 11C1, and B denotes the second screw is a defective one, selected is a defective one. So your M will be, what is your M, that is 3C1, 1 by 1 without replacement. Remember, again I am telling that the selected thing cannot be selected again. Okay, without replacement में ऐसा होता है कि जो चीज हमने एक बार सेलेक्ट कर दिया उसको साइड पे हटा दो. तो ये जो 12 स्क्रूज थे तो उसमें से हमने फर्स्ट टाइम जब सेलेक्ट किया तो व्हाट इज योर n, 12C1, एंड द डिफेक्टिव तो कितने थे 4, तो 4C1. so your n will be 12C1 and m will be 4C1, that comes to 4 by 12. Now the second thing is your second screw you are selecting, that is also defective. So 1 will be reduced from 11 में 12 में से भी एक कम हो जाएगा, 4 में से भी एक कम हो जाएगा. So 11C1, n will be 11C1, that is 11, and m will be 3C1, that is 3. So your P of B will be m upon n, that is 11 upon, sorry, 3 upon 11. Okay. Now, even that both the screws are defective. Now, both means intersection. So A intersection B is even that both the screws are defective. In the question also they have given that find the probability that the, sorry, 32 है ना, find the probability that both the screws selected are defective. Both are selected, both word दिया है तो intersection, right. So P of A intersection B is law of multiplication. P of A into P of B by A. Right? See here in the second event, that is event B, what they have given, B by A. The event B occurs under the condition that event A has already occurred, right? This is the occurrence of event B. So this is also an important question. B occurs under the condition that already occurred. A is already occurred. So क्या हो जाएगा B by A? Okay. So that is 3 by 11. Okay, so P of A into P of B by A, that is 4 by 12 into 3 by 11, that is 1 by 11. So the required probability is 1 by 11. Now next. Next question is, there are 3 boys and 2 girls in a friend circle. 2 persons are randomly selected from this friend circle one by one with replacement to sing a song. Find the probability that the first person is a boy and the second person is a girl in the 2 persons selected to sing. Okay, now the total person are 3 plus 2, 5. So your n will be pi C1. And A, event A is first person, 2 person are randomly selected है ना, उसमें the क्या था, first person is a boy and the second person is a girl. So first person selected is a boy, right? तो वो A हो जाएगा. So P of A will be, what will see your M, boy है तो 3C1. So M will, P of A will be M upon N, that is 3 by 5, right? Now your second condition, that is the second person selected is a girl, right? So again, what you will be doing, what is that condition is, one by one with replacement. With replacement होगा तो selected numbers can be used, right? So your n will not be changed, n will be the same, that is 5C1. One by one with replacement or without replacement में ये difference है. Without replacement means repeated numbers, selected numbers cannot be used, and with replacement selected numbers can be used. So 5C1 and होगा 5C1, that is 5. So B will be, what is B? 2C1. Okay, so 2C1 will be 2. Girls 2 ही है, so 2C1. So P of B will be M upon N, that is 2 by 5. Now even what is your next next thing, that is event A intersection B. A intersection B क्या आ जाएगा? Event that the first boy and the second girl are the 2 persons selected to sing a song. So P of A intersection B is P of A into P of B, that is 3 by 5 into 2 by 5. That is, sorry, 6 by 25. So the probability, required probability is 6 by 25. Okay, so this is the condition what you have to find. Right? Now, see, here one more thing I want to tell you, that now how many illustrations are left? Illustration number 34 and 35 only left. And both are important. 34 and 35 both are important illustrations. Right? So I think it is better to do in the next video. So you have to, till now I have completed till illustration number 34, 33 I have completed. So you have to do all the illustrations, all the sums to minimum 2 to 3 times, because if जो भी hard लग रहा है ना वो आप लोग को repeatedly sum solve करना है. Okay, so वो practice करना है. Without doing the practice you won't be able to get what I am saying. And that law of addition and law of multiplication, both I have given the hint, that also you have to keep in mind while doing the sum. Okay, and you have to practice the sums at least one time. Solving is not enough, 2 to 3 times. एक ही sums को समझ के 2 to 3 times you have to do that sum. Then only you can understand what is the main concept in that. Means if you are doing 2 times, 3 times, then your concept will be slowly will be your concept will be clear for you. Okay, so we will be doing this illustration 34 and 35 in the next video. Okay, so this much is enough for you. Thank you so much.